Welcome back to Life and Style Feel Good Friday. How are you doing? Karibu sana. If you just joined in, remember we've got amazing giveaways for you. We've got tickets for you to go watch a movie at the Anga Cinema at Panari, and we've got City Walk vouchers. That means we're looking for 3 winners, and each is going to walk away with a 5K voucher, and 10 winners to go watch a movie, and each of one of them is getting a pair of tickets. And the question you need to answer for us today is: do you support your local film industry, and how do you do that? Remember to use the hashtag KTN Life and Style. Do you support your local film industry, and how do you do that? Very, very easy. You can find us on KTN Life and Style on Facebook, KTN Life_Style on Twitter, and Instagram. SMS us 22840. Now, we are on Fashion Forward, and today's going to be a bit different because I promised to go to this amazing event. It's called Spring Into Style. It's a local fashion event that happened last weekend, and we had amazing 10 designers, local designers, who had amazing designs, strutting the catwalk, models, performances. So I'm just going to let you take a look at what we recorded for you. It was absolute amazing.
It was a night filled with glitz and glam at the Lord Erol Gourmet restaurant in Runda, where people from all races graced the event dubbed Spring Into Style. Looking sharp, elegant and classy was the norm of the night as the top designers showcased their clothing lines.
Hello and welcome. This is Fashion Forward, Feel Good Friday, Life and Style. I'm your host, Mwikali, and today we are out. We are at the Lord Erol in Runda, and we are at an event called Spring Into Style. It's a high-end fashion event. We've got over 10 local designers showcasing amazing talent. We'll have a catalog, but to just top it all up is that 5% of what they're getting from the ticket sales is going to to a project, a human needs project, and this is in relation to things that are happening in Kibera and good things. So it's not just about fashion, but it's also about charity. So I'm here to find out what's gonna go down. Super excited, looking all glammed up. I hope I look like Kunavanye. No?
The Life and Style host Mary Mwikali, who rocked a red flamboyant dress, was at the event to give us a glimpse of how the Spring Into Style fashion event turned out. Deepa Dosaja, who dressed Lupita Nyong'o at the New York Fashion Week, was the first one on the red carpet interview talking to Mwikali about the Spring Into Style event.
You're just back from the New York Fashion?
Absolutely. We showed in New York Fashion Week and it was absolutely amazing.
Wow, you're being very modest. Do you want to drop into some Lupita in that?
We dressed Lupita Nyong'o on her homecoming trip and it was just absolutely amazing. I'm presenting one piece from New York. I won't tell you which piece, or shall I? Since this will be my finale gown is the finale gown I showed at New York.
Rocking the red carpet, Lisa Christopherson and Daniela Cellini, who organized the event, were full of life, saying that the event would be a showstopper considering the top best creme de la creme designers being present.
I promised you would be here, and we're here, Lisa.
Lovely to see you, and welcome to the Lord Erol, and welcome to Spring Into Style.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you so much. So do you, by the way.
No, I should have thought about those shots. Ningitakuona kando.
Hey, karibu sana. Ninaenda safari kidogo.
So tell us about tonight. What do you expect to see, and probably who's taking the first, catwalk and stuff?
So we've got 10 designers on the catwalk, Deepa Dosaja, starting, and there's Koki Designs, there's so many other fabulous designers, the Wildside Shop from Malindi, who made all the way to Nairobi, who are also on the catwalk. And by the way, all of these fashion designers who are going to be showing on the catwalk have pop-ups inside here. You can shop till you drop until midnight. It's amazing.
This is Spring Into Style. It's a brainchild of mine and Lisa Christopherson. We're partnering in this event. We're both event organizers. Lisa's also a designer, so we love fashion. Before coming to Nairobi, I used to organize a yearly fashion show at Casino Malindi. So I wanted to bring this idea to Nairobi.
Juliet Mbone, the country director to the Human Needs Project in Kibera, talked to Mwikali about her role.
My name is Juliet Mbone Bulika. I'm the country director at Human Needs Project in Kibera. Human Needs Project was founded by Connie Nielsen, who's a Hollywood actress. She acted in Gladiator, 3 Days to Kill, and now she's doing Wonder Woman. And she came to Kibera and she was shooting a film called Lost Boy in Africa. And she met a lot of people from Kibera and she said, you know, I'd like to come and see where you come from. That's when she encountered the plight that's in Kibera, you know, lack of access to clean water, education and training. And so she said, you know, what can I do for you? And they said, you know, if you can bring us clean water and sanitation, we'd really appreciate that. And then we also work with the artists very closely in Kibera. Why? Because we realize there's a lot of talent in the slums, and more so they're inspired by the environment. And so because of that, we have an annual event called Kibera Talent Search, and it's been amazing. It's been a great journey just to see how much those artists are able to do. And so for us, it's just creating the linkages and the right players to come and see what they have. And out of that, we've channeled a lot of them into the industry. And you'll see some of their performances tonight.
Na unajiuliza lini utavuka ng'ambo ile na uoni daraja.
The energy-filled Kibera Blues gave us a sneak preview of their performances before they stepped up on stage where they would be performing.
Natuma salam kwa mama, rehma zote ziende kwako do, sipendi kilala salama, nehma zangu ziwe ni zako mama. Sina la maana ila mapenzi ya dhati kwako, ndiyo najua mepanga rabana lake siyo chaguo la kwako wewe. Wewe ndo wangu ila kwa mimi sina wengine. Ona mandugu ni zangu ila kwa mimi ni kitu kingine. Sana kinachoniliza, sana kinachoniumiza.
Things were getting heated up behind the scenes as the designers ensured the models looked flawless when rocking their best-made designs. Even though the adrenaline rush was present, the models maintained their composure and kept on smiling.
Koki, yes, we meet again. Always a pleasure.
Mwikali surprised Koki Designs and Fierce at their stations as they attended to interested customers who wanted to purchase their designs.
So, spring into style, and how did you get to be, you know, part of this?
How? When I knew, I was like, no, I have to make it to be here. And I did. Somehow, I end up being where I'm supposed to be.
Which is a very, very good thing. There are only 10 designers are showcasing tonight, and you're one among the 10.
Yes, I'm humbled because I'm among very, very good designers.
Oh, great. So what number are you showcasing on? We know Deepa is at number 1.
I am number 9.
Why are you saying it like you're shying off?
Because if Deepa is number 1 and I'm number 9, I don't know what that means, but I like it anyways. I'm here.
What do you expect to see tonight on the catwalk?
It's supposed to be a surprise, or you want me to tell you?
Just give us a hint.
It's gonna start with a warrior.
Whoa. Yes, that's a good hint. Thank you so much for that.
In a world full of war, instead of talking about peace, you start with a warrior. Because when you want to keep peace, you have to be a warrior.
What does this particular event mean to your career as a designer?
Why are you shying away from the war?
I'm not.
Oh, it really has become part of me now. I enjoy it so much. And designing has become so easy. I'm like, okay, there is something new. I have to be producing it before I go to number 2 production. But yeah, I'm creating and creating and creating. I want to insist in the production part.
The spring into style grand moment that people had been waiting for kicked off with Mwikali, who looked like a queen, rocking the runway showcasing her red elegant dress.
Goodness, wow, that was just part of what happened that night. Absolutely gorgeous. And Koki, so lovely. Shanikwa, you're sitting where my designers sit every single Friday.
You should introduce me like a designer.
Okay, first of all, today you came in late and then you're wearing a hat because you're from you called it what?
Seychelles.
It has an S
my
at
question
the end.
is, you know,
Tell me about the event. Come on now.
The event was okay.
Mbona hukuja?
It was colorful. That's what I want to ask you. On a serious note, of all the tuko watatu. Mbona mkutuita? Okay, Aisha sawa, juu fashion na Aisha wako hivi. Fashion iko huku, Aisha iko. So my question is, why didn't you invite me? And the way I'm always on fleek.
I know, but next time definitely it's going to just be you on the show.
Can I surprise you?
Tell me.
They emailed me yesterday.
And then told you what?
They're going to be having another event in Mtwapa.
Mtwapa?
Yes.
So unavuka nini hii?
2020. I'll go.
2020?
Yes.
You have to wait for a while.
I'll have to.
But what do you think about the event generally?
was colourful. I loved it.
We had Lisa Christopherson on the show. We've had
Yeah,
Koki Designs.
Koki.
She came with a whole Ethiopian
I remember
kahawa.
yeah.
Yeah.
Zile jacket za exchange hivi.
You know?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It
What
was
do you think so
colorful.
far?
I loved it. I loved it, especially the tables were so heavily loaded.
With different designs and
Yeah.
artifacts.
No, tables are food.
We've not seen food. Did you see food there?
Drinks, yes. Kuna zile tables za white zilikuwa na nini.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I love the way walikuwa wamechafua meza.
That's the only thing that you saw.
Uchafuzi wa hali ya juu, like Mosioka always says. But it was colorful, and I love the way you had dressed.
Thank you.
Yes.
I was
the
waiting
only
for
thing
that.
you should change is the laughing style.
Why would I change my laugh?
That
Okay,
one.
there you go.
Yeah, that one.
Why would I change it?
It's not
Yeah,
you,
so we were the Lord Errol. So ukienda mahali
Like-
kama uko unachekaje?
You know, like you have some style, funika kamdomo kidogo.
But I do
Because-
that. No?
Really?
Okay, how do I
Then
laugh?
to God you had
How
a
do I
mic.
laugh?
Mic ilikuwa ina block.
How do I laugh? I saw you trying to diss me on Monday. You're not even, like, by the way, enda shule ya kulala. Okay, fine. So we've got another...
I love you though.
We've got another segment for you. That was not all of it. We saw some amazing designs on the catwalk. Take a look.
For the first time, this is being shown right here in Kenya. Makofi.
I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you downtown, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, Deepa Dosaja. Authentic Kenyan. And Sally's collection has been displayed around the world, from New York to London, South Africa. This is SK Collection. Of Sabai. Come on, folks, you can do better than that. Yeah. Right. That is Kitty Ondane, who believes that life must be savored. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kitty Ondane Fierce Jewel Clothing. Give it up by Ambika. Give it up. Go ahead, you can scream away. By the way, the feathers again are made by Capoeira by Ambika. Koki Designs. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Give it up. Yeah, go on. Oh, yeah.
The fresh air was filled with laughter and shouts of joy as the event came to a close, having showcased some of the best designers in town.
Great. How are you guys feeling? Great. So you were the showstoppers today. How was that for you?
Oh, it was amazing. It was so thrilling. There are no words to describe.
When I talked to you earlier, you still didn't have words, and you still don't have words. Someone who has words to say? You, perhaps?
I would say, in simple terms, it was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
This guy must have rehearsed that. You knew I was going to ask that question. I know, yeah, okay, fine. You want to say that again?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay, cool. He's cool like that. How was it for you?
Well, it was wonderful. That's all I can say.
Was it all that you expected?
It was so much more than we expected. Like beyond mind blown. It was supercalifragilistic.
Thank you, guys.
I'm flabbergasted right now.
Great, you guys did amazing. Want to big up your agency, someone? None of
Muchas models.
Thank you so much, guys. You are a ray of sunshine, and you rocked tonight. Well, that's how it went down in Spring at Spring Into Style tonight at the Lord Errol. It's been fabulous, gorgeous. The who's in the fashion industry were all here tonight. Dinner, catwalk, Kibera representing. Did you guys dance? Okay, this is it for Fashion Forward today. Adios. Well, I clearly had a good time. I enjoyed myself. Well, that was work as well. So what are you doing? You're getting all the kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Do you want to try what he said? Something?
Flamboyant. How do you even say flamboyant? I look flamboyant.
I did
do
not.
You know,
I did
do you
not
know,
say
do you
that.
know the
I
last
did not
time
say
that word was used in Kenya?
Flamboyant.
2002.
What do you mean?
Nakwambia unazeeka unakataa.
Okay.
Yes.
That was Fashion Forward for you today. We did it differently.
Are you doing this
time.
to me now?
No, I'm not. Ignoring
Really?
you, no? Yeah?
You are?
Okay, fine, cool.
We do this?
No.
You know I'm very good at this.
I know.
Yes.
I'm sorry,
But you're looking
Shaniqua.
amazing and
Thank you.
I love if ukiendelea hivi Mwikali utaenda far.
Moving on. The one thing that really stood out about whatever happened that particular night at Spring Into Style is that 5% of whatever amount was made from the ticket sales was actually was used to help the Human Needs Project, a project that goes down at the Kibera. So it's supporting the guys you saw rap there, facilitate water, facilitate sanitation, facilitate their talent, and all of that. So it's
Hata Jeff alikato yake.
See, of course, kuna tafanya kazi bure.
Oh.
You know?
So, I think it's a noble cause, and
Yeah.
I think if designers go on with that direction,
itakuwa poa kabisa.
itakuwa sawa, and our fashion industry is going to grow. Why are you showing me the tickets? I already know you have tickets, Mekali.
I know. Do you want to tell people how they're going to win? What's the question today?
Yes. Do you support our local film industry?
Absolutely, that's the question.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Yes.
How do you go to watch?
We have so many plays.
Plays. Do you go watch a play at the
Yeah.
theater? Do you buy local
we
music?
even
original.
Yes, we even have vernacular plays on Kenya National Theatre nowadays.
True that. So how do you support our local
Yes.
film industry?
Yeah.
And just tell us. The hashtag is KTN Life and Style, and you stand a chance to win a 5K worth voucher from City Walk and a pair of tickets to go watch a movie at the Anga.
Let me ask you.
Let
me ask you a question.
Yes.
Watching local content on TV, is that supporting our film industry?
I think it is. Actually, now it starts with like KTN. Does it show local? Local.
KTN, I think we have so many local.
We have so much.
Yeah? So
much.
watching the local content on TV, that's supporting local industry.
I think so. Yes, it is. I mean, if they put it there and you're not watching,
yeah,
who is it for?
Yeah, but it's the best.
But then again, look at it this way: the people who are acting in those particular films, are they earning from that?
Yeah.
That is also supporting.
Yeah.
So
yes.
It's a whole range of things. You could be an actor who's working here instead of working in.
Alafu najua wasanii ni wengi sana. Nowadays, even when you go to markets, there are people who are called kina mashangi. Have you seen them?
I know mashangi. Those ones who do this.
The young old guys.
Yes.
Wanajipaka mavitu.
Oh my God, that Zangalewa.
Akina Zangalewa. And the amazing thing yeah, is that Kenyans will always watazunguka hapo hivi. They want to watch.
True.
And they will support. That's what I love. If we can do that to music industry too, like Jokali ajitole leo and Mudhurwa,
and akatumbia hapo bure.
Watu wanazunguka. That's how tutasupport nini.
Si ndio?
Lakini